Hello, today we'll be learning about how to open files in Python. Now, we all know what files are, but did you know that Python can do a lot of different things with files? And that's important because pretty much every program that we want to apply in web applications has to modify, create, update, and delete files, right? Well, Python gives us the tools to do that. But first, we need to open and actually get the actual file into the program, right? Well, here is the quick syntax to do that. We can use the open function. Yes. And open by default takes two parameters, the file name, which is by default first, and the mode, which tells the program what you want to do with that file. Because for instance, let's say that you want to open demo file.txt, which I have right here in the same directory. Let's open demo file.txt. Let's set file to open demo file. And we just opened it. We haven't actually done anything with it, so it won't run. But then, actually, the default parameter for mode is R and T. So R here means that we want to open it to read. R is shortened for read. And read just means open. So just to read a file so that we can print and we can look at the file. But then T here means text. So you can either open a text as T or B, which T stands for text and B stands for binary. So text is, just normal ASCII text that you can see here. But then R and B is for binary. And there's a lot of file types that are stored in binary instead of text, like images or executable files, where you might have to specify B. But then P is default, so you don't have to specify it. And then we also have A, which stands for append. So you'd use append if you just want to add to the end of the file, like you don't want to look at it, you just want to add to it. And then W means write, which is still editing the file, but then a bit more than that, because you're not just appending, you could be deleting, you could be adding in lots of different places, not just the end. Yeah, and that's it. All we're talking about is the open function, and it is important, so make sure you remember. Thanks for listening, and goodbye.